I'm going to show you how to weatherize your windows with this Duck brand window kit. It's pretty simple and easy, but you do have to take your time doing it. So what I did was I measured my bathroom window. I've already done my bedroom windows. And I cleaned it down with Pine Sol and water. And I took a blow dryer and I tried to dry it, air dry it. So, you know, I'm impatient like everyone else. I want it done now. So I don't want the film outside the window shelf because I want to still be able to use the shelf for my decorations. So I actually am putting it on the inside, not on the outside like that most people do. So take the tape, the double-sided sticky tape, and I'm putting it on the wood. It's a little challenging, especially when you have a small space you're working with. Try to make it as straight as possible around the entire window. Get the tape in the corners really good. In the edges. Isn't quite as straight as I'd like. Okay, that's better. Okay. Maybe line it up a little before you stick the tape on. Very important to get the corners really tight. Measured the plastic, and it says to measure it 2 inches over what your window size is. So I put 2 inches with the width and 2 inches extra on the length. And it sticks very easily, so make sure you got it in the right spot before you place it. All right, so I want to place it so it leaves about 1 inch extra. Get that corner really well. I think that's one of the most important things, is to get the corners in really good, especially when you're doing it like I am on the inside of the window. All right, that looks good. I'm going to give it some slack. Okay. It says to do the top first and then the sides, which I'm trying to do. Okay. And you could cut away any excess after you're done. Okay, and that's it. It's covered. Now, use a hot blow dryer to shrink wrap it, but I've done it on my other windows. It doesn't seem to do anything. As a matter of fact, it was so hot, it blew a hole in it. So be careful not to make a hole in the plastic by putting the dryer too close or too hot, or keeping it on one spot too long. It says 30 seconds. Do not put it close for 30 seconds. It says 2 to 3, I think it says 3 to 6 inches away, but just feel it out with your blow dryer. And so now that it's on the inside of the window, I can still hang my curtain. You never know it. There you go. And you'll save a lot of money on your heating bill. So let's see, there we are. So that's how you install it, and yet, sorry for the darkness, that's how you install it and still be able to keep your windowsill. Quick and easy. Thanks for watching.